Hi, I'm Anupa, and what do we make today? Let's make this nice decadent hot chocolate. All my ingredients are here, so let's get started. So now to make hot chocolate, we need to heat up milk. And now let's add cream. So after you add in the cream, let's add a piece of star anise followed by some cinnamon. So we want to infuse the flavors of cinnamon and star anise into the milk and cream, and we'll let this come to a boil. So now that the flavor of cinnamon and star anise is infused in the milk, let's add in some sugar. And to this hot chocolate, to make it chocolatey, let's add some semi-sweetened cocoa powder. After cocoa powder, mix it up again. Wow, so decadent. I can get the aroma of chocolate. Very nice. Now let's get this to a boil. Oh wow, just look at this. It's looking so amazing. Now that the milk is infused, we'll remove the star anise and cinnamon. Switch off the flame. Let's add some chocolate chips. And let's add some marshmallows here. And now to this, we'll pour the hot chocolate. Let's take a chocolate stick. You can either dip it in or you can just leave it here like this. And that's it, hot chocolate is ready. You got to have it hot because it's simply irresistible.